One of those Gen Zs.
You might not know me.
Just go and ask your daddy. Don't forget us because of
If you want to create your Kuda account, here is a step-by-step tutorial on how to open a Kuda account and how to verify it from having unlimited accounts. Okay, let's get started. You enter your email here, then password here, continue. So you are going to need your BVN number here too. So you are going to need your BVN, and even you can just keep it. Click on I don't have BVN here, so you can skip it and then you continue. I don't know my BVN, so then we are here. You have to agree. I agree and wish to proceed, so proceed. Then you enter your first name, your middle name and your last name, then you continue. So you choose whether you are a male or female. So then you enter your date of birth. So you enter your date of birth according to how you have it on your maybe national ID, your voter's card, or your international passport. Then your phone number. So after that you click on continue. So after you click on continue, so you will proceed to log in into the account that you create. Now let's log in. Okay, next now once you log it in, then you are going to create your secret pin. So they just say 1 2 3 4 5 6. So everything must be the same. Yeah, so your pin is set, then you click on done. Okay, depending on the mobile phone you are using, if it supports fingerprints or or anything, so let's just cancel, let's just proceed. Now you have successfully created your Kuda account. As you can see here, you need a BVN to send money from your bank. Please do not add money until you have the BVN. So what this means is that, so you navigate to this section here. You can click on here or here, so either one of the two. So let's click here. So then you see upgrade account. So you click on upgrade account. Upgrade account. So add BVN. First of all, you are going to add your BVN, the BVN here. So it's a one step at a time process. So once you add the BVN, then once your BVN has been successful, then you will hide the ID card. It might be your voter's card, your NIN, or your passport. Like, then the ID number. The ID number here means the number that is actually in the voter's card, or the NIN number, or the ID card, driver license. So from there, then you proceed, you submit. So once you have submitted the required documents, so at the end of the day, depending, it might be 2 days or 3 days, your account will be fully verified. Once it is fully verified, then the account limit will be removed from your account here. It will be removed. Then you are going to be on type 3. The benefits of fully verifying your Kuda account is going to make you to be eligible to borrow loan. Then you can save unlimited amounts. Account limit. So, you see, so once you verify your accounts, every restriction will be removed. Then you'll be able to fully upgrade and enjoy the Kuda services.